Hi, we meet again in the next video. Okay, alright, we continue from the first video. In this part, let us explore what is a SolidWorks is. Okay, SolidWorks is a design automation software. You can sketch ideas, experiment in 3D models. Okay, the keyword here for SolidWorks, you can create models in 3D. Okay, in industry currently, SolidWorks has been used massively in engineering field. Okay, if you're material, you can design, civil also use it, electrical also use it, any kind of engineering works actually use the SolidWorks, because the beauty of SolidWorks, you can view, okay, your ideas from sketching into the 3D models by using the automation software. Okay, I give you example. Okay, imagine in your house, okay, there are many things in your house, and then everything in your house we can design it or we can model it using the 3D sketching in SolidWorks. Okay, before I further proceed, I give you example of SolidWorks in engineering. In this case, I choose one video from YouTube, how they draw the hypercar design using SolidWorks. Okay, please enjoy this video. Okay. Alright, you can see they draw from the sketching. Okay, drawing. Actually, in this drawing, they use many more than 100 techniques to draw the hypercar design. Okay, from this software you can view as a 2D or 3D design. Okay, you can rotate it, you can, how I say, change in any direction, any orientation. You can trim it, you can color it, you can do as you like. Okay, actually in this SolidWorks also we can use also simulation, how to run, but in this case we didn't go for the simulation. Okay, we just learn the basic drawing, how to draw. Okay, so you can see the video how they draw it. Okay, I try to move this video faster. Okay, alright, so you can see the shape of the car is already formed. Okay, in this case the beauty is that you can do the mirroring technique. Mirror means that you design one side and then you mirror it, you get another side. Okay, I try to move it faster. Okay, okay, so now the trimming, the coloring. Okay, they try to do the glossy shape and so on. Okay, now it's almost formed. Okay, sorry. Okay, see, you can see how they draw. Okay, so it's very nice. That's why I love. Even I'm not a mechanical engineering student, but during my time, okay, after I graduate from GSM, I worked for a while in Singapore. That's why I learned everything about this. Okay. Okay, almost complete. So here you can see it's very nice. Okay, so I hope this video can motivate you in order to explore more later on. Okay, okay, so the objective of this lesson for SolidWorks, number one, at the end of this session, student will familiar with the Microsoft Windows interface. And number two, the important is that the student know how to use the SolidWorks interface. Okay, for me, this topic is very important. Later on, after your graduation, believe me, when you works out there after you graduate, I think this is a key in order for you to survive. Okay, the real industrial work out there. Okay. Now we move into the more technical part. Okay, as you can see here, this is an image of interface of SolidWorks. Okay, there are many buttons, as you can see in the screenshot here. Okay, so there are many buttons. Later on, you can explore by your own. Okay, this SolidWorks is run by Microsoft Windows. It's easy. Windows let you see the works of application program. But now, students who are buying the new laptop, okay, normally they use the version, if I'm not mistaken, now Windows 10. Okay, sometimes Windows 10 is not compatible with the new software. Okay, so please make sure that you have a right window in order to install the SolidWorks 2019. Okay, the panel are subsection of window. Okay, this one the panel. Okay, this one the two show panel. Okay, this one is more a little bit larger magnification of the interface. Okay, here as you can see my mouse. Okay, here is the working process. Okay, from this part you can track, okay, the step of your drawing. Okay, whether you start from circle first, or you start from box, or you draw the line first, you can track the step of your drawing process. Okay, because let's say if you complete your drawing, but unfortunately when you draw it, you found some gap between the drawing. So from this you can track and repair it. Okay, I want to give you an example. In engineering application, for example, if you want to draw the water dam, lake ataupun tasik. Okay, imagine kalau that dam, okay, not dam is something the bad words, the dam of the lakes. Okay, have some very small gap in millimeter. Okay, inside the dam, the water pressure is very high, can up to 1,000 ton. Imagine what happened if we wrongly design the outlet of the dam water to the, let's say, to the river. Let's say they have some gap in millimeter. What happened? Okay, the dam can be explode. Okay, so you can see this video in the YouTube. Okay, I don't want to talk about this. Okay, this one just introduction. Okay, I want you to put your mind and understand this. Okay, for this topic, for my topic, I will do some tests. Okay, I will conduct one test, and most of the question come from this part. Okay, the interface and setting, how you use this button, and etc. Okay, so as I mentioned just now, to monitor, okay, I'll go back here. Okay, it's same. Okay, to track your drawing, okay, normally we need to find it in the feature manager design tree. Okay, that's why we call the tree something like from top to the bottom. Okay, the bottom is root, and then batang dia, and then the leaf on top of it. All right, so this one same also. You can track how you draw it from beginning until the end. Okay, we call it feature manager design tree. Okay, this one we call it a property manager. Okay, normally property manager you can find it after you, let's say you draw the box, and then they want you to define which face, which line. They will ask you this kind of features. Okay, they will sometimes they will provide you with tick and wrong and the question. Okay, so I think maybe you not understand, but throughout the process of the drawing, you might experience this. Okay, and then this one, the configuration manager. Okay, meaning that in this case normally we use for simulation. Okay, you need to set the parameters, let's say for example the weight and etc. Okay, these three parts very important. Okay, here I think the heart of the SolidWorks. Okay, the beauty of the SolidWorks is based on using your imagination, creativity, and simple how I say, a simple technique. Okay, you need to combine the tools given to you here. For example, as you can see, they provide you quite many of the technique in order to draw. But from this icon, okay, you need to merge with your ideas and imagination, and you come up with the drawings. Okay, this one only the library for SolidWorks if you don't have any question. But normally I didn't refer this because normally I directly go to YouTube. Okay, it's very easy find in the YouTube. Okay, I want to highlight here. Okay, this part is very, very important. Okay, in SolidWorks we have three types of drawing. Number one, we have part drawing. Number two is assembly drawing, and number three is we call how I say the layout drawing. Okay, before I further explain part assembly, okay, this part number three is drawing. Normally you can obtain using the AutoCAD. Okay, I think in the first year you learn the AutoCAD, so you know how to draw this into the dimension, right? So in SolidWorks, sorry, in SolidWorks is the converse way. Okay, meaning that you draw the 3D, and then the SolidWorks software will auto generate from you. Okay, will auto generate from the software into 2D drawing. Okay, what is the importance of this 2D drawing? Okay, as I give example earlier, in the lake dam or situation, from this 2D drawing you can see the any gaps miss between the parts. Okay, that's why in SolidWorks, in order to ensure your drawing is correct, normally we can view it in 2D form. Okay, come back. In SolidWorks, we have two important components. Number one is the part drawing, and number two is the assembly drawing. Okay, I give you a simple example. Okay, you know the Lego. Okay, the Lego. Okay, the Lego play by your small sister and your small brother. Okay, imagine the one piece of the Lego we call as a part drawing. Okay, you need to draw one part of that Lego. That's why we call as a part drawing. And then after you draw after you produce many numbers of the parts, and later you assemble it, and then you get the structure or the 3D model. For example, like Lego, if you arrange the pieces of the Lego into the stacking, you might get a bridge, you might get a box, you might get any kind of 3D structure based on your imagination. Same goes with the SolidWorks. Okay, first you must draw the parts, and then you need to assemble. Okay, for assembly drawing, the important is the interface between one part to another part. Okay, for example, if you have two Lego like this, okay, two Lego like this, imagine the top of my hand is the first part, the second part is the below part is the second part of the Lego. Okay, if you want to assemble it, okay, the surface of the first Lego on top must attach well with the surface of the second Lego at the bottom, and then you can assemble the part like this. Okay, so therefore in assembly drawing, the surface interface contact between the parts is really important. Okay, here some of the features. Maybe you can see, you can refer to my slide later. Okay, before I explain this, okay, I give you some common features in SolidWorks drawings. Okay, this base feature, boss, hole, cut features, you can find it here. Okay, I give you example. You can find it here. Okay, boss, revolve, sweep, lofted, extruded, and others. Okay, revolve and others. Okay, so actually these features, okay, can be generated when you click the button on the interface of the SolidWorks. Okay, for example, this one we want to draw the base, boss, cut, hole. Okay, you can see the difference here. Base from boss, you can see another part is assembled. From base, boss to cut, you can have these cut features, and from the cut to hole, you can see the hole is made on the 3D design. Okay, same goes to the fillet and chamfer. Okay, you can see the difference between fillet and chamfer. Okay, based from this hole, okay, from this hole, you want to make a fillet, you get this. Okay, the fillet at the edge of the drawing. And then if you want to make chamfer, you see the edge of the cut, you can have the chamfer. Okay, I think that's all from me for the second video. In the next video, I will explain more about the features of the SolidWorks. Please stay tuned with me. Thank you.